Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are completely new to trading and don't even know where to start, don't worry, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to start trading using TradingView. I will explain how to open TradingView, how to select a currency pair or asset, and how to understand the basic chart. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up your first chart like a beginner trader. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.tradingview.com. TradingView is one of the most popular platforms traders use to analyze charts. It works for Forex, crypto, stocks, and commodities like gold. Once you open the website, you can either sign up or log in if you already have an account. Signing up is free and only takes a few seconds. After logging in, you will see the main TradingView homepage. Now, look at the top menu and click on Products, then click Super Charts. This will open the chart where traders analyze the market. When the chart opens, don't panic if it looks confusing. Every trader felt the same at the beginning. In the middle of the screen, you will see the price chart. This is where the market movement appears. On the right side, you will see the price scale, showing current price levels. At the bottom, you will see the time scale, showing the date and time. On the left side, you will see drawing tools.
These help traders mark support, resistance, and trend lines. But for now, we will focus only on the basics. Now, let me show you how to choose what you want to trade. At the top left corner of the chart, you will see a symbol name. For example, it might show something like EUR USD or BTC USD. Click on that symbol. A search box will open. Here you can type any asset you want to trade.
For example, if you want to trade Forex, you can type EUR USD or GBP USD or USD JPY. If you want to trade gold, type XAU USD. If you want crypto, you can type BTC USD or ETH USD. Once you click on the asset, the chart will automatically change to that market. Next, we need to understand time frames. At the top of the chart, you will see numbers like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1H, 4H, and 1D. These are time frames. 1 minute means each candle shows 1 minute. 5 minutes means each candle shows 5 minutes. 1H means each candle shows 1 hour. 1D means each candle shows 1 day.
Beginners usually start by analyzing higher time frames like 1 hour or 4 hour because they are easier to understand and less noisy. Try clicking different time frames and see how the chart changes. Now let's quickly understand candlesticks. The chart is made of candles that show price movement. There are two main types. If the candle is green, it means the price went up. If the candle is red, it means the price went down. Each candle shows 4 important things: opening price, closing price, highest price, and lowest price. Learning candlesticks is very important because traders use them to understand market behavior. So that's it for today's beginner guide.
Now you know how to open TradingView, how to select currency pairs or assets, how to change time frames, and how to understand basic candlesticks.
If you're a beginner, don't worry. In the next video, we'll continue learning trading from the basics step